Hello everyone, welcome back to MS Tutorial Hub, and today's tutorial is going to be sweep with guide curve. And those who are absolute beginners, they should know what is sweep. Sweep is all about extruding the cross section against its path. But now we will see along with this how to use the guide curve. Apart from that, what all the difficulties we usually face while using the guide curve. So it is going to be very interesting as well as useful. I will request you to watch till the end, and if you think you have learned something, then please don't forget to subscribe. So if you are absolute beginners, then I have already uploaded one basic tutorial on sweep base boss. So you may check it out that video first, because that will be more beneficial for you, and the link will be provided in the description. Hope this video is useful for your learning journey. So before I start, I would like to say first click on the file and then click on new and then click on part design, then click on OK. After that, choose the plane of your choice and right click on it and go to sketch. After that, I am here as profile. I am creating a center rectangle. See, here I am providing the center rectangle. Along with that, I'll be providing the fillet, and fillet distance is 15. Here, if you noticed it, I have not constrained the profile. Why? I'll let you know. Just see here, I have not constrained the profile. See, it is blue in color. That means it is not constrained at all, and there is no dimension also. I have not provided the dimension. Why? There is a reason, but first you understand. While doing the sweep with guide curve, in the profile you should not give any dimension and any relation as well. So this is my profile and exit from the 2D sketch. So basically the guide curve concept comes when the object is extremely complex object. To give the shape of the complex object, we usually use the guide curve. So while using the guide curve, you need to keep in mind your profile need not to be constrained. Usually we say your profile has to be constrained, but here I am saying the profile should not be constrained in this situation. Okay, so by reason and all, I'll let you know in the later on in the video. So this is my profile. Now choose the perpendicular plane and you need to click the path. So here I am providing basic profile. See, click on it and there. Okay, and exit. If you want, you can provide the value of the path. That is not a problem. See here 150. Accept it and exit from the 2D sketch. Okay, next what you can do, now you have to create the profile. You have to create the guide curve. To create the guide curve, I have to take a perpendicular plane. So here I am trying to create the guide curve, and while doing the guide curve, you need to keep in mind two things. One, the guide curve need to be perpendicular with the profile, and it should be coincide with the profile. Either you need to pierce with the profile, or else you need to keep the relationship as a coincide. So two things can be happen, and these two things you need to keep in mind while creating the guide curve. Now it's time to choose the perpendicular plane. Here I am choosing this right plane or the yes, this top plane is also fine. Anything you can choose. So here I am choosing the top plane and right click on it and go to sketch. Now I am drawing the single guide curve. I'm drawing it randomly the outside, accept it, and now choose the line, press the control from your keyboard and choose the endpoint. See here one option has come, this is called peers, and then click on the peers, accept it and then accept. Okay, click the sweep base brush option. From that, first you need to choose the sketch profile. After that, click inside the profile and then choose the profile. Next, you need to click inside the path option. Here the box must be activated. Then you should click the path. Here this is your path, so you have to click this path. After then, drop down this option guide curve. Here I am working with a single guide curve, so choose your guide curve. See, the guide curve helping the shape, but the extrusion height and all is provided by the path. Guide curve is provided only to give the shape of the object. Hope till it is clear. So see, the object is, I am able to create the object with the guide curve very easily. Now where the error will come, we will discuss. So next we will see what kind of problem we face while doing the sweep with guide curve. Let's discuss on that point. So I am pressing Ctrl Z to get back to my previous position. So here now I'll just delete the guide curve. First delete this guide curve. I'll do it later on. And then I'm editing the sketch. This is my profile. So now I make it constraint by providing the value. Maybe this is 58. Fine. And from this center to this center it is 40. Accept. Now it is fully constrained. See, this is fully constrained, this much. And then exit from the 2D sketch. Now rotate it and choose the perpendicular plane. Again draw a guide curve. See, the guide curve and the profile is coincide with each other, and then exit from the 2D sketch. Now click on the sweep and then again the same option. First you need to click the sketch profile, then this profile and then this path, and then drop down and choose the guide curve. See, when it is not showing the preview, that means there is some error. Okay, and if you accept it, still it is showing that it is not able to solve it. That means it is a error. Now we will understand why this error has happened and how to overcome from this error. See here, I have constrained my profile, so that's why and I made that guide curve from the profile. Now see, if you select, if you zoom it, if you see this radius, there is multiple radius. Okay, as this is used to create the complex object, the guide curve has a multiple radius. If you see the spline, if you zoom it, if you look at this position, it is different radius. Again, if you look at this position, it is different radius. So this profile is, as it is constrained and it is position wise fixed, it is not flexible enough to generate the complex object as per this different radius of the guide curve. Hope I'm able to make you understand. If you have any doubt, then please do comment below. I'll try to solve all your doubts either by creating a new video or else by the answering your comment. And now what we can do, see, hope you are able to understand why this problem has happened. Now again, just cancel it and then edit the sketch. So we will come up to the solution. So here I'll be deleting all the dimension for this profile and then accept it. Now you try to do the sweep with guide curve. See, same option. Again, this is your profile and this is your path, and then this is your guide curve. Now see, it is nicely occurring the object as per the guide curve. The shape is provided by the guide curve and the height is provided by the path height equal to the object height. So I believe this much is clear. So whenever you face any problem, you may try to solve this using this method. Now see, in the same sketch we will add one more guide curve and let's see it's working or not. So again I am taking another perpendicular plane from the profile. So here I am choosing the right plane and then I am drawing the guide curve by using 3-point arc. So now select the end point of the arc, press Ctrl and select line and then pierce it. Okay, and then exit from the 2D sketch. Now click on the sweep and then same option. Previously we worked with the one guide curve. Now we will be working with the one more guide curve. So here click on the sketch. Now first click inside the profile and then choose the profile. Again here click inside the path and choose the path and then drop down this curve option, guide curve. Select this guide curve first and then guide curve 2. See, now it's working nicely and we are creating these sorts of object. It is little bit of complex object. Okay, by using this option you may create many more bottles or different complex set. You will be able to see work on that. So I have created this bottle with the help of the sweep with 2 guide curve. But still, if you are working with the sweep with 2 guide curve, you might face a error. So I'll show you the solution you may implement in your project. So let's see how to do that. So while working on the sweep with 2 guide, if you still get error, so we will see how to solve the error. First, for that what we can do, first we will draw the path, not the profile. Here I am drawing the path. Okay, accept it. Then we will create the perpendicular. In the perpendicular plane we will create the guide curves. Here I am creating the guide curve. Quickly I am creating the guide curve. Only one thing, if you keep in mind, the origin and the end point of the guide curve need to be horizontal. Click on it. Wait. Okay. See, if it is not horizontal, select the end point, select the origin, provide the relationship horizontal and accept it. Now again take one more guide curve. See, here also in the horizontal, start with the horizontal line and draw the guide curve. Now this end point and this point need to be horizontal. Here it will be vertical. Okay. Now we will create the profile which has to be constrained, which has to be pierce or coincide with the end point of the guide curve. So here I am click on reference plane, click on plane, select the path and click the end point. Accept it, okay, and then randomly draw the, select the plane and go to sketch, then randomly draw the profile. Here as I'm working with the rectangular profile, so I'm taking only rectangular profile. This video is all about sweep with rectangular profile. In the circular profile also, we may try this single guide curve and multiple guide curve, but we will get later on. I'll create another separate video for the circular profile. Here I'm working only with the square profile or rectangular profile. Now see, I have drawn the rectangle but not in the origin. Apart from the, it's away from the origin. Now what you can do, just try to pierce this end point with this profile line. So click on the end point and then press Ctrl, click this line and click on coincide. Same way we will work on this also. Select this end point and select this point and coincide. See, now to make the profile constraint, what you can do, specify the distance from the origin. Accept it, and if you want, okay, 1 minute. The origin shifted little bit, so make it vertical. That's, see, it is constrained as well as it is coincide with the two guide curve. The end point has to be coincide with the guide curve. Okay, now exit. Now you will not find any error. Now click on sweep and then first choose the profile and then again choose the path. Now drop down, select the guide curve 1 and guide curve 2. See, will not any sorts of error if you follow this process. Okay, so hope this video is very much useful to your learning purpose, and if you are able to learn anything from this video, then please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll get back very soon with some more useful video. So thank you so much.